everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am going to be showing you some happy mail that I got from Tammy in my world from OKC. She is a really sweet lady. I love watching her channel. She does all kinds of hauls and she does a lot of DIYs and challenges and things. And it's just a really fun channel to watch. So I'm going to leave a link to her channel below, and I hope everybody will go and check her out because I think you'll be very happy if you do. So I got this package in the mail the other day and I was so excited because we don't often get something in the mail that says Happy Mail, so you kind of know there can't be anything bad in here, and it's so much nicer than getting bills and junk mail all the time. So I'm going to switch this around over here to my craft table so we can see everything inside. So let's get started. Alright guys, here it is. I can't even lie, I've already peeked at it and I just cannot wait to even make this video because it is just so stinking cute. And this is the envelope she sent me with some really pretty duct tape on it. And I always love to get happy mail. It makes you happy as soon as you get it out of a mailbox. And then she put some cute little washi on the front for me. And it's just, oh, and a little love you stamp. So, here is what I got in the mail. Check this out. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. It's a big felt envelope that she made. Thank you, Tammy. This is just the cutest thing, I swear. I just couldn't not look at it after I peeked inside the envelope. And it closes with Velcro. And she made put all the little felt hearts on here and the little love heart. This is just such a cute idea. And then on the inside, let's see, we got a cute little heart bracelet. That's so cute. And these stamps she sent me. Thank you, Tammy. I do not have any of these. I still have not seen these at my Dollar Tree. I've been looking. I've seen other people hauling these, and I really wanted these, and I'm so happy that I got them. So thank you. And then she made this cute little notebook. I mean, it's one of the notebooks that, you know, you can get at the Dollar Tree, but she cut out some pretty sparkly heart paper and then added some washi tape to it. That's a great idea. That's so cute. I love this. I'm in love with notebooks. I have so many notebooks now and I just keep collecting them. And then she sent me some little Valentine stickers. And these have all the little, these are just so cute. Little packs of stickers. Hope you can see that little glare in here today. But they're just adorable. Thank you. And then she made this cute little Be My Valentine card. That's just adorable. And it just says, to Jody, your friend Tammy from my world in OKC on the back. And then Be My Valentine. And she put a little gem heart there. And some of these really pretty paper roses. They are really nice. I like those a lot. I have not seen them anywhere. So thank you. And let's see, there's just so many goodies. And then she sent me a whole little pack of these goodies here with some ribbon and some felt hearts. And I don't want to tear it open, it's just too cute right now. And then there's a pack of the stickers back there. And I hope I'm not missing anything. I just don't want to rip into it. It's just too cute. And there's that clothespin there that she put a little love heart on. That's just adorable. And then in here we have some of the doily hearts. These I don't have any of either. Or doilies, for that matter. I don't know why. But these are really pretty. And there's a red doily heart. Thank you. I honestly don't have any of these. So I can add these to my collection of goodies. And then there is this little, this is a magnet, little XOXO with a doggy on it. That's very sweet. And then she sent me a whole pack of these heart stickers. I don't have these either. So thank you very much, Tammy. I can put these in my collection of stickers. And then she sent me a little pack of these little emoji faces and some little beads here. Those are so cute. They're adorable. They've packaged everything just so special. I'm going to really need to step up my game on this pocket letter swaps. And then she sent me a little pin. PB plus J. That's so cute. And another pack, a little pack that she made of the little plastic hearts. I didn't get these this year either. I don't know what I've been doing. But thank you. And then, whoops, almost dropped you. She gave me these cute little love stickers, Valentine's. These are so shiny. I'm trying to get some of the glare off. These are very cute. I don't have these either. So thank you very much. And then these cute little heart stickers too. These are like the conversation hearts. These are really cute. Thank you so much, Tammy. These are just so nice. And I did buy a lot of stickers this year, but it's funny that I didn't buy those. And then in here is the pocket letter. So let me go ahead and try to get into here without destroying anything. And she had this closed with some really cute little washi. Look at this pretty tissue. It's just, I love that. Oh, look. I really haven't peeked too much at the pocket letter, so I tried to have something for a surprise here. Look at this eyelash stuff. I don't even, where do you get this? I've looked for things, and I don't even know where you get this stuff. I have not seen it. But it's really cute. I love this. And look at this. It's a little conversation heart in here. And then she made this little paper clip with one of those pretty paper roses on it. That's adorable. And then this one says love with some cute heart washi. And then there's a cute little shaker pocket. I love shaker pockets. In the center here with some buttons and little hearts. That's really cute. And then over here there's like some little wooden button hearts, some pretty heart paper. And here's another little wooden button heart. That's really cute. And then down here she put in a little I love you sticker with some washi. And these are just, look at this with this little tiny little heart, gem heart, is what I'm trying to say. And then over here there's a little sweetheart. This is just so really cute. Thank you so much. I do so appreciate this. And then in the back here she gave me some of these. These I have not seen either. I just must walk past all this stuff. These are like little googly eyes, but they're hearts instead of little eyeballs. I have not seen them. I'll put them back after. And then there's some cute little ribbon in here. Oh, and look at this little clip. Let me get this off of here. They're like little lips. That's adorable. Put that back on there so I keep my ribbon nice. I will put that to good use. And then in here she gave me a little sample of the washi. And then over here there's some little gem things. Let me take these out so I can take a peek. Oh yeah, they're like little beads, or I'm not exactly sure what they're actually called, but they're really cute. They look like, some of them look like they have a hole, some do not. But I think it would be great to do some little embellishments on things. And then over here is a bunch of the little tissue and paper hearts. And then down here is some more of the foam. I can't speak English today. Conversation hearts. These are really cute. And here's a little note. It just says, Happy Valentine's Day, much love Tammy, my world in OKC. Well, happy Valentine's Day to you too. This is just so cute. I just love everything. And there's a pack of the little scented stickers. I'll take a peek at those too. Yeah, those are so cute. I love these little tiny stickers with little cupcakes and things, and just little hearts. These are so great for like on envelopes and things, and in pocket letters and stuff. So thank you very much, Tammy. I appreciate all of this. Everything is just so stinking cute. I still just can't... Oops, I'll put that back after. I don't want to drop everything here. I still just can't even... Save that tissue paper too. I can't get over this envelope. This is just the neatest idea on to package something to send to somebody. This is just a great idea. So yeah. So that was my Happy Mail from Tammy. So thank you very much, Tammy. I appreciate this so much. And yours is on its way. So I hope everybody enjoyed seeing this and looking at these beautiful creations that she came up with. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.